Neighbors are worried that coal ash could become a health problem if it's not dealt with properly. At issue, the old Yorktown Power Station. It's been closed for years, but the environmental impact could last much longer. Tonight, Dominion Energy and the Department of Environmental Quality tried to alleviate those worries. 13 News Now reporter Robert Boyd has the story, all new tonight.
Well, York County residents say when it comes to the future of landfills in their backyards, they want to be part of the discussion, and tonight they had a seat at the table. Next year, Dominion Energy plans to shut down both coal-fired units at the Yorktown Power Station. For decades, that coal ash has been deposited in two nearby landfills, the Chisman Creek Superfund site, followed by the Yorktown landfill.
Coal ash is buried here and coal ash is buried there, 500,000 tons of coal ash.
Concerned citizen Randy Trestrail wants to know what it all means for the homeowners living among these landfills.
We're concerned about the ongoing groundwater contamination at the Chisman Superfund site and whether there are potential harmful effects for people as well as for the environment and the waterways.
On Thursday, Dominion Energy walked residents through the coal ash disposal process, explaining step-by-step how the ash is buried under protective liner and soil.
We're here to answer residents' questions. If they're concerned about this facility because they live here, we want them to know that what we're doing here is safe.
The Department of Environmental Quality was also at the meeting. Are people's health in jeopardy because of this?
No, not at all. People's health, this is not a concern that we have. Coal ash has been determined by the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency as a solid waste.
Dominion Energy says tests are constantly being done to make sure no toxins are leaking out. Residents say that's all well and good for now, but what about years down the road? What about their grandchildren's health?
I don't trust the existence of these sites over time. I don't think there's adequate protection for the long term.
In Yorktown, Robert Boyd, 13 News Now.
Coal ash is created when coal is burned. It's one of the largest types of industrial waste generated in the United States. The EPA says 110 million tons of coal ash was generated in 2012. That's the equivalent weight of more than 3,400 HRT buses.